Hey guys, we are about to get my hair done and I'm so excited because the makeup is eating, but now we need the hair to follow. I'm so tired. I just walked up these stairs. We made it, y'all, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna rip this glueless wig off my head and put this wig on. So let me show y'all the wig we're using today. All right, my loves, so today's wig was sent to me by Remy Forte. They did go ahead and send me this 26-inch highlight body wave wig, and these are the knots on the unit, and period. Let's get into it. So after we bleach and pluck the wig, this is what it's looking like. This is the density, very thick. Okay, this is a 13x4 wig, and I'm so excited to get this wig installed. So today's hairstylist that's working with me today is Neeks. I'm gonna throw her page right on the screen. This is her page. If you're located in the South Florida area, you guys can definitely go ahead and check her out. When I say she don't play, okay, Neeks don't play. She laid this wig down to perfection, very, very fast and very, very high quality. So I was just super excited to get my hair done. As you guys know, all 2023 I was doing my own install. So if you're ever trying to see how you can install your own wig, definitely go down the rabbit hole of my channel and you guys can see me go from the glueless to the frontals, everything. But now I moved on to letting stylists perfect their craft on me, and it has just been a game changer because the installs have been eating down and all I do is just sit there and look cute, period. So right now she is cutting this lace, and as you guys can see, the plucking on here was so amazing. The hair only took 30 minutes to bleach. Honestly 25 minutes, but it took like 25 minutes to bleach. We did use 40 volume developer, so the knots were very small. We didn't have to bleach it twice, nothing crazy. Let's go ahead and just get right into this install, my girl. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the music up and you can watch her slay and work her magic.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential, rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. Pray for my demons, God got you. Every time I step on codeine, I get wrong. But knowing the sounds of the storm when it comes, she understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip been missing, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone dropping the tip. I get more vulnerable when I do it. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. When I'm moving, let me keep it real. Need to feel a real one, exactly what it is. I'm staying cause you know that's what I wanna hear. Yeah, I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand when y'all been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable out of bed. When you drunk, you tell me.
All right, my girls, this wig is so freaking beautiful. Look at this hair. This is so gorgeous. I look so good. First of all, Neeks did such an amazing job. Thank you so much, Neeks, for working with me on installing this wig because you killed it. This hair just is so pretty. I love how it was dyed. I love everything about this hair. The only thing I can say about this hair is it does not look like 26 inches. This looks about 22, maybe 24 if you're stretching it, but it doesn't look as long as it says that it is. But besides that, this hair is so freaking gorgeous. The color, the way it was easy to bleach, easy to pluck, just 10 out of 10. So if you are looking for more details on this hair, it's going to be down below in my description box. Make sure you guys click that, check it out. Purchasing links, promo codes, all of the stuff that you need to get your wig on point like this is going to be down in the description box. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, join the team and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big thumbs up so I can give you guys more content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.